Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app and device are ready. Update Cache App now and sign in so settings sync. Once done, check that your phone OS is current because app themes often follow system capabilities. Make sure display permissions are allowed so the app can switch themes. Now open Cache App and stay on the main screen. You will navigate to settings immediately. This avoids wasted steps and prevents theme toggles from failing later. You now change the theme. Tap your profile icon, choose Settings, and find Appearance or Theme, toggle Dark Mode if available. If Cache App lacks a built-in switch, make sure your OS Dark theme is enabled. On iOS, use Settings Right Arrow Display and Brightness Right Arrow Dark. On Android, use Settings Right Arrow Display Right Arrow Dark theme. Once toggled, go back to Cache App so it can inherit the system theme. This is how and why the app reflects darker colors, for reduced glare and battery savings. Finish by confirming the interface is dark throughout the app. Check menus and payment screens. If you don't see dark mode, force close Cache App and reopen. Sometimes the theme needs a restart. If that fails, restart your device or clear the app cache on Android to remove stale settings. Make sure updates are installed because older builds may lack theme support. If nothing works, contact Cache App support, but only after you've tried the toggles, restarts, and cache clear. They solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.